This is my friend Rachel, and she's going to be doing the cup song by the Picture Perfect Girl um, song, and
Alright guys, I'm going to show you first how to do it, and yeah, alright, so,
by the way, she's using a Peaches Street cup.
alright,
And now she's going to show you step by step.
alright.
Step 1.
Alright, step 1 is, okay, you clap twice, and then
Step 2.
you tap, 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 you tap it 3 times, so, from the beginning.
Step 3.
Alright, step 3 is you clap again and you lift it up. Alright, so this is how it is from the beginning.
Step 4.
Alright, step 4. It's really hard, step 4. So, this is how it is from the beginning.
And then she's going to show you how to do that last little part.
Alright, the last part, alright. So you do this, okay. So when you do it, okay, so this is what you do. You get it from the palm of your hand, right here, and then you twist it around like that, and then you put your hand down, and do that. Alright, so from the beginning, it's
And we got that from Pitch Perfect, the cup song. I hope you like it.
okay, yeah. Okay, we're going to do it twice in a row, see if you guys can try it, alright? Okay, I messed up on that one.
Here.
Alright, one more time. I messed up again, but who cares? I hope you guys know